Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another options and play video update. I talk about what I call the state of the market when we get together every other week for our option sessions, but today I wanted to do a video because something pretty significant happened the last 2 days on the Qs. All right, and I feel like it if if you've been following the market action at all, even remotely close over the last 3-4 months, you probably would have known that the move lower in March was extremely fast, right? But also that the move back up has been, if not the same speed, it's been nearly as fast on the way back up, right? And a lot of the gains and a lot of the best action has happened in tech stocks, right? Like the big cap tech, but also a lot of like the small and mid cap tech too. There's just been a lot of really powerful moves off the March low in the tech land, right? And what you'll notice is that just yesterday Qs traded up through the previous February closing high, which was 236.98. And then today, the Qs traded up to an intraday high. So the previous high was 237.47. The high on the Qs today was 237.79. So the Qs have completed the entire rebound and actually intraday today put in a new all-time high, which is remarkable because, just based off what is happening in like the economy and it's amazing. It's just amazing to think about that the Qs actually put in a new 52-week high today. Now, excuse me. Now, I mean, based off the move we've had and how fast it's played out, I mean, a lot of people are wondering like when is the pullback or when is a pullback going to happen, right? So the double top could theoretically be in play, right? I mean, if we really struggle to extend through the top here, then that is going to be a focus level, and watch for the rhetoric to really start to pick up around the double top, right? If we struggle to take out the previous February high, which, it's only a small sample size, 2 sessions, but we are struggling to take out the previous February high, right? Then that double top idea and the double top trade is going to probably gain more steam among a lot of traders, all right? So something to keep an eye on. I mean, it's this 237, 237.50 area is going to be real significant. On the downside, if we do start to roll, okay, the 8 and the 8 EMA, which is the green line, and the 20 simple, which is the pink line, like those are the momentum moving averages. I talk about it a lot, right? We, for a long stretch last year, right, held above the 8 and the 20, right? Those were incredibly important during that trend from October up through February. So while we've been running off our low, again, that 8 EMA and then the 20 simple have been incredibly important. So until we take those out, right, you're probably expecting the trend to hold. So if we do pull in, then you're watching how do we respond at the 8 EMA. And if we lose that, then how do we respond to 20? And until we take out the 20 simple, you're probably thinking, you're still thinking bull, right? But you're looking possibly more on like buying the dips into trend support versus like the breakouts. Because right now a lot of breakouts are breakouts around their 52-week highs are kind of like losing steam, right? Some false breakouts, some like reversals, a lot of stocks that are kind of like tightening and maybe like rolling over a bit, right? So like that's really going to be like a focus of mine, is seeing how do we act around this high. And then if we do start to roll over, what do we do at these key momentum moving averages, right? So, I mean, just quickly, I mean, just to give you an idea, I mean, the July options on the Qs here. So this is out through July 17th. That's the main monthly expiration. You can see that they're pricing in about say about like 16, a little over 16 points. So it's just about 5% on the Qs, right? Now that would, if we do drop 16 points, I mean, like this is just what they're pricing in. If we do drop that 16 points, that would take out both of those moving averages. So something to keep an eye on. I mean, they're pricing in a pretty big move for July. And if we do move the magnitude of these options, what they're looking for to the downside, that would violate those moving averages. So definitely something to look at, right? right now, I still think like having hedges in place makes sense. So um, July, August, even September, like getting some sort of downside hedges in place just in case we do get that dip, because it could be pretty significant just based off the move we've had off the low. All right. So if you like these videos and you're looking for more information on like option hedging or option trades, option swing trades, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options in play. Stay safe out there, guys. Stay well. Have a great night, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.